So today I'm going to try to do the wall flip on concrete. I'm a little nervous about it. Yes, so I'm pretty confident with my back flips now, so I'm confident in doing it on the floor. I'll get this done quick. It's about to rain. Backflip on concrete. Here we go. Yeah, not as confident on ground as grass and stuff, but I can do it. For the wall flip at the parkour gym, I did it with the right. After watching some videos, the leg you take off for a gainer pretty much. So for me, I do a gainer, it's with the right foot. So I kick with the right, but I take off with the left. And the left is the one you're supposed to use off the wall as well. So at the gymnasium, which is the last set of videos you saw, I started using the left. Because my backflips are pretty good now, I landed it pretty easily. You kick the wall up to give yourself more height. No point talking, just have to do it. Oh damn, psyched myself out. I'm gonna get those little shitty blue mats. They're really bad. I wouldn't recommend buying them. I think these are made for like younger kids with a lighter, not really for adults. And when I land my like roadsters and front flips, it just leaves a mad dent into it, so not worth it. But let's hope it gives me some confidence in doing this. One. Come on. Oh! Yes, okay, there we go. That's the first one out. I think I lean straight back. Still got enough height to get the flip done, but I want to go up a bit more. I think it was rotated a bit faster than that one. I'm not sure what happened. That was good though. Easy peasy does it. I twisted a bit there. That was really good rotation and height. Yeah, I'm not sure why I looked to the left a little. Let's do some more. Implement in my head and don't lose it like my corks. I'm actually so sad about losing my corks. Went to the left again. Went to the left again. Yeah, landing pretty hard, feeling my ankles already. So probably the first time I tried, now it's been like almost a year. I don't know why, I just sort of forgot about it. Just focusing more on tricking. I reckon this is like more part. I want to try to do the two-step, 1, 2, flip, but like really high. Do like a mad backflip. That's next to come for this. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see some more training footage and what I'm up to, you can just follow me on Instagram. So yeah, just somewhere there. I try to upload here as much as possible, but I've got to learn the move first before I can upload. So if you follow me on Instagram, you can see what I'm trying to work on now. I'll see you in the next video.